Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So recently I got in this beautiful 1946 Mills Golden Falls slot machine. It was done by one of the preeminent restorers here in the Orange County area some years ago. These people just did absolutely great work. Unfortunately, he's passed, God rest his soul, so we'll move on. Their restorations was a 10. And once again, this was probably done some years ago. I got the machine in, I took it all apart, I completely resurfaced it. So I got all of the old grease and everything out of the machine and completely re-lubricated it and serviced it very nicely. The myth is that don't buy dime machines, but in my years, a good running dime machine runs as good as any machine. Okay, the problem is actually the coin, because a dime is the most likely coin to be bent. Don't put no bent dimes in it, you'll be just fine. The machine runs fabulous. So what happened here is when they restored this, they like to do a lot of gold plating. So the top of this is 14 karat gold. Denomination button, 14 karat gold. The falls, 14 karat gold. The award card, 14 karat gold. And everything was very nicely hand painted. They did a very nice job on picking colors. This is wrinkle finish brown here, and it's wrinkle finish on the back bonnet as well as the handle. Side of the machine. The beauty of this machine is the reason they put so much time and money into it is it was complete. Everything is on the machine. All the drill proofing is in it. The machine is thing on it, and I'll show you. It even has the second coin holdout. I'm going to play the machine for you here. So here we go. This is the way they should run. They should sound just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll play it some more, and then I'll show you what the second coin holdout is. This was a feature that Mills actually put in the machine. So once I put a dime in it, okay, the second dime will sit right there. If you see it, it sits right there. That's so you cannot load the machine up full of dimes. Once you play the machine, this one will drop down when it finishes cycling. There it goes. And you see I hit a winner. This is a super good running machine. As you see, you can play the heck out of this machine. It runs fabulous. This is a moneymaker. You can sit there and play this all day long. The other thing about this machine is it is a front load jackpot machine. That means that the machine did not automatically load the jackpot. This was very common back in the old days because the operators wanted to be able to put a determined number of money in the jackpot and not let it arbitrarily fill. So as you see here, this comes out and that's how you load it. Once you hit the jackpot, this is full of dimes. This is gonna just gush out money. Plus it's gonna drop 20 coins from the pay tube. It's gonna drop 20 here, and this is gonna come gushing out. It's been tested, works fabulous. And believe it or not, you will be hitting the jackpot, okay? Because they do hit. Great machine. I'm going to show you the insides of it. Now the cabinet, the machine was so nice, I had a guy in Missouri manufacture this cabinet. This is right off of a Mills original cabinet. He does a super, super good job. It's a beautiful piece of cabinetry, as well as he also puts in the drink and ashtray. This is for your drinks and ashtray. Super nice package. It's sturdy as a rock, runs good, looks good, is good. We can get this blanket wrapped and shipped out to you, or if you want it crated, we'll do that as well. Anyway, you'll see in the stills, I'll spin it around, you'll see everything inside of it. Fabulous machine, it's gold, it's club console, it's good, it's great, it runs good. So whoever gets it's gonna really, really enjoy the machine. And as well as the Golden Falls was one of the few machines that came with gold reel strips, which is also in this and correct. Thing runs good, looks good, is good. That's how they're supposed to run, folks. Just like that. Anyway, thanks for watching our videos, and somebody's gonna get a beautiful machine.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.